Earthquakes and tremors. The deadliest earthquake in history was the 1556 Shaanxi earthquake in China, which killed more than 830,000 people. The largest earthquake ever recorded was the 1960 Chilean earthquake, which had a magnitude of 9.5 and triggered a massive tsunami. The most earthquake-prone country in the world is Japan, which experiences about 1,500 earthquakes every year. The longest earthquake ever recorded lasted for 10 minutes and occurred off the coast of Sumatra in 2004. It had a magnitude of 9.1 and caused a devastating tsunami that killed over 200,000 people. The smallest earthquake ever detected had a magnitude of 2.0 and was caused by a tiny fracture in a rock in a laboratory.